Now let's launch our schematic editor. Either you can click on the schematic editor or just double click in this schematic editor schematic file. This will launch this schematic editor. So in the schematic editor, in order to pan this schematic, you just simply right click on it and you can move your schematic, or press the center button of your mouse, and in this way you can also pan your schematic. The other thing is to zoom in and zoom out. If you are using mouse, then you can rotate your wheel on the mouse to zoom in and zoom out. The other way is you can also use your F1 and F2 keys on the keyboard. So if I press F1, this will zoom in the schematic, and if I press F2, this will zoom out the schematic. The third way to zoom in and zoom out is you can see on the top bar that this is zoom in. If I click over here, this will zoom in. If I click over here, this will zoom out. And if you want to zoom to fit, then click over here. This will zoom the schematic to its this will zoom so that it fits on the screen. So the next thing is you can change the setting of your pan and zoom in by going to preference, and in the preferences you can click over here mouse and touchpad. Over here pan and zoom setting you can change as you find convenient. So hit OK. On the left side you will see over here schematic hierarchy. There will be listed all the sheets that we are using in our schematic file, and over here these are all the settings. These are related to grid, measurement, cursor. These are related to tools, and these are all the display settings on the left side, while on the right side these are all the settings that are related to editing the schematic. These we will discuss all these settings while we progress in our course. So there are also a bunch of default hotkeys that are provided by the KiCad. In order to view the list of all the hotkeys, go to help and check the list of hotkeys. These are all the hotkeys that are given by the KiCad. So you can see over here and enhance your productivity by using your hotkeys. If you want to change the hotkeys for any of these settings, in settings you can go over here, preferences, go to preferences, and here in the hotkeys, here you can change the hotkeys as you like. So you can see here that almost all the things have been assigned with the hotkeys. These are all the list of hotkeys in the KiCad. You can change as per your requirement.